Hey family, welcome back to the Brandon Brews channel. This is Brandon, and this is another day in the life of a local dedicated truck driver. I know usually I start my videos with me in the car or from the house, but I wasn't going to record today. But today I thought about recording because I do got my gear, and it is a nice, beautiful day outside. It is like 80 something degrees. The truck is saying it's 96. That's the thing about semis. Semis always can never really give you an accurate temperature of what it is outside. What's the temperature?
It's about 86 degrees outside.
86 degrees. So the truck is 10 degrees off. I didn't know it was gonna do this, but yeah, it's a nice day. I did put some shorts on, and we're gonna hit the road. I'm waiting for my, it's almost here. So we're gonna hit the road, go pick our empty up, and start the work day. Let's go. Everything looks good. We are ready to check out. Right, y'all know we got to do the administrative work. We log this empty trailer in, then we'll get on our way, get on the road. All right, we're ready to pull out. doors. One thing about this Kenworth, it took me a while to get used to this seat. You probably seen it when I got out. It go down. No, when you sit in it, it go down and then it go back up. I don't know why it has to do that. Freightliners didn't do that, but yeah. But all right, y'all. Right, y'all, we made it here. About to drop the trailer, and then I think, yeah, we're gonna have to wait because it doesn't look like any loads are here or done. So it might be that kind of day. We might just be sitting. So we'll see how this goes. Right, y'all, so it is looking like we may be playing a waiting game. There is one other driver in front of me for the next load. So we're gonna chill. This hasn't happened in a while. Haven't had to sit for a minute, so sometimes you do have to sit and wait. I do get paid for downtime. This is considered downtime, so I am getting paid still right now, so it's not the baddest thing ever. So we're just gonna chill. I may come back and talk to you guys a little later if something else comes to mind that I want to talk about. What's really cool, well, not really cool, what's different, you guys know I'm in a day cab. Take these off for a second. You guys know I'm in a day cab, so when it comes to idling, it's 80-some degrees today, so you know we don't turn our trucks off. And there's nowhere else. I wish they had like a little picnic area, would be nice. But I do miss having a sleeper because you can have the whole back. That's kind of a con over a day cab. But if your day cab is moving and moving, you ain't got nothing to worry about. But yeah, I wish I would have recorded that backing because it was a one-shot backing. But I was just trying to get over here to figure out what's going on. And I got more backings to do. I'll show you guys. But yeah, if something else comes up, I'll let y'all know.